Good morning student. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Gyan Manji Model English School. Today we are going to start new chapter number 7. Symmetry. Symmetry is very simple and easy chapter. Yes student. First, symmetry student. An object is said to possess the property of symmetry if two halves of the object are exactly the same. Yes, the line that divides the object into two equal halves is called the line of symmetry. Yes, symmetry can be found in the both living things and non-living things. दोनों के अंदर symmetry found होती है. Okay, some object can have more than one line of symmetry. Such as square. A square has whole line of symmetry. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry, and a circle has infinite line of symmetry. Madam, many lines of symmetry. Okay, and pentagon. A pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. Okay, student. So first we will write about some important topic of symmetry. On symmetry. So first, an object is said of two causes the property of symmetry if two halves if two halves of the object are exactly the same, Next, second, the line that divides the object into equal halves. Equal halves, it means similar. Okay, equal halves is called the line of symmetry. Is called the line of symmetry. Okay, next than one line of symmetry. Okay, student. Okay, student. So the line that divides the object into two equal halves is called line of symmetry. Okay. Some object can have more than one line of symmetry. कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं जो कि कैसे होते हैं, एक लाइन से अधिक लाइन होती है सिमेट्री की. ओके, एक लाइन से अधिक लाइन को बना सकते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट look at the picture, student. Here given it on the blackboard, student. First of all, we will do divide the butterfly. We will divide butterfly into equal halves in the center. कहाँ से करेंगे, सेंटर से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे in the center by dotted line in vertical way. Okay, student. तो first dotted line from the center. Okay, student. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, आप जब भी टू इक्वल हाफ्स करेंगे तो आपको डॉटेड लाइन के थ्रू करना है. Yes, student. You can see both parts are exactly same. Yes, both parts are exactly same. An object is said the possess property of symmetry. तो इस पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हैं राइट साइड पार्ट एंड लेफ्ट साइड बोथ पार्ट आर exactly same. Yes, so we can say butterfly this is line of symmetry. Yes, student. Next figure. First we will divide into two equal halves in the center in vertical way. Yes, student. वर्टिकल वे में करेंगे हम by dotted line. Yes. Next, now we will divide into two equal parts, then two equal halves in horizontal way. Okay, in horizontal way from the center. कहां से करना है आपको, सेंटर से ही लेना है. यदि आप सेंटर से डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे फिगर को तो आपका सिमेट्री लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं माना जाएगा. ओके, ये देखिए बोथ पार्ट आर इक्वल ओनली, यानी सभी लीफ के पार्ट क्या है, इक्वल है. दिस इज वी कैन से दिस इज लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. दिस इज लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. इसे हम कह सकते हैं कि ये लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है. यस स्टूडेंट, दिस फिगर इज लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. यस. नेक्स्ट थर्ड नंबर, we will divide into two equal half in the center by vertical dotted line in vertical way. Yes, student. Look at the pictures. This side and this side, both parts are not exactly same. Yes, this part no handle, कप में हैंडल नहीं है, और इस साइड कप में हैंडल है. तो दिस साइड का पार्ट क्या है, छोटा है, और दिस साइड पार्ट बड़ा है. Yes, student. So both parts are not exactly same. So we can say this figure is not line of symmetry. This figure is not line of symmetry. Okay. Now next fourth number, circle figure of circle. Okay, student. First we will divide into two equal halves in the center by dotted line. किसके द्वारा करेंगे? by dotted line from the center. सेंटर ही आपको लेना है. यदि आप इक्वल हाफ सेंटर नहीं लेते तो आपका सिमेट्री रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिवाइड into two equal halves in horizontal way. कौन सी इसमें करेंगे हम? in horizontal way by dotted line. Yes, student. Yes, all parts are equal. Next, we will divide figure in the center by slanting line. किस लाइन के द्वारा करेंगे? slanting line के द्वारा हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. Now we will divide. Then we will divide figure slanting line. Student, remember that all lines touch in the center of the circle. सर्कल के सेंटर से टच होनी चाहिए. इस सभी लाइन हमारी कहां से सेंटर होनी चाहिए? टच center से. तो all line are touched in the center of the circle. Okay. Next, our circle has many lines of symmetry. Our circle has many lines of symmetry. सर्कल के पास कितनी? बहुत सारी लाइन्स होती है, अनलिमिटेड. ओके, पर इक्वल होना चाहिए. बोथ आर पार्ट, ऑल पार्ट आर इक्वल, एग्जैक्टली सेम. ओके, छोटा बड़ा नहीं होना है, बस इसी को कहते हैं सिमेट्री. ये देखिए, ऑल लाइंस आर टच इन द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके. Next, keep your mind important points. The all line touch in the center. All line touch are in the center. Our circle has many lines of symmetry. Many lines of symmetry. Okay, student. So, butterfly has one line of symmetry. Yes. Then flower has two lines of symmetry. And cup, this figure has no line of symmetry. Okay. This figure is not line of symmetry. Okay. And circle, a circle has many lines of symmetry. Okay, student. Please, student, note down. Okay, student. Have you written, student? Okay, now we will move on text exercise. Exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. Draw lines of symmetry lines of symmetry for the following shape. For the following shape. Okay, student, look at here. First figure. First figure. This figure is rectangle. कैसा किसका figure है? Rectangle. Yes, student. Now we will draw the line in the center. Okay. So first we will divide the figure from the center. From the center by dotted line horizontally. Yes. एक सेकंड स्टूडेंट. We will divide into two equal halves. Okay. We will divide into two equal halves by dotted line in the center. Center आपको पॉइंट लेना है. सेंटर पॉइंट नहीं होगा तो आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. इन वर्टिकल वे. ये कौन सा वे है? वर्टिकल. स्टैंडिंग लाइन इज कॉल्ड वर्टिकल and sleeping line horizontal. Now we will divide by dotted line horizontally in horizontal way. Yes student, इधर थोड़ा सा लाइन नीचे. Yes. You can see student, both are part equal, both exactly same. Yes, all parts are exactly same. So we can say two line of symmetry. This figure is two line of symmetry. कितने टाइम symmetry है? Two line of symmetry. Okay. Next. Second, okay student. So next figure student, second. First we will divide figure into two equal halves. Two equal halves in the center y dotted line in vertical way. Okay, in vertical way. Now we will divide then horizontally. Horizontal way in the center. Okay, all line are touch in the center of the figure. Okay student, so look at okay, so you can see student, all part equals. Here all part equal. Okay, all part equal. The all part exactly same. So we can say this figure फिगर इज क्या है? लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. दिस फिगर इज लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. ओके, नेक्स्ट फिगर. फर्स्ट we will divide into two equal halves by dotted line in the center in vertical way. कौन से वे में करेंगे? वर्टिकल वे. नाउ वी विल डिवाइड, देन वी विल डिवाइड टू इक्वल हाफ्स इन द सेंटर बाय डॉटेड लाइन इन हॉरिजॉन्टल वे. कौन सी उससे करेंगे? हॉरिजॉन्टल वे. हॉरिजॉन्टल वे. Yes, student. This figure is line of symmetry. Yes, this figure is line of symmetry. Line of symmetry है ये figure. Okay. कितना line of symmetry? This figure has two line of symmetry. One line and horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Okay, next. Student, look at this. This figure has not line of symmetry. Yes, student. This shape is not symmetrical. क्या लिखोगे? This shape is not symmetrical. Okay, this shape is not symmetrical, student, because all sides are not equal. Okay, not down, student. Have you written, student? Student, homework. Note down in your notebook. अपनी नोटबुक में आपको नोट डाउन करना है. ओके, draw the line of symmetry for the following shape. Okay, so first line of symmetry for the following shape. आप जिसको बना सकते हो स्टूडेंट. नेक्स्ट सेकंड फिगर. Next, third figure. Next, fourth figure. line of symmetry. Pentagon has high line of symmetry. Okay. Next figure. Next. Okay. Here, draw the line of symmetry for the following shape in your homework. Okay, ये आपके क्या है, होमवर्क में है. और एक्सरसाइज 7.1 होमवर्क. नेक्स्ट आपका होमवर्क है एक्सरसाइज 7.1. Solve the question in your textbook. Exercise 7.1 solve. Okay, in your textbook. In your textbook. टेक्स्ट बुक में करना है. ओके. होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज 7.1 सॉल्व इन योर टेक्स्ट. और ये आपको होमवर्क जो है वो आपको कहाँ करना है, होमवर्क आपको अपने नोटबुक में करना है. Okay. Take care. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, friend. Draw line of symmetry for the following shape. Homework exercise 7.1. Solve in your textbook. ओके. एंड होमवर्क ये क्वेश्चन आपको अपनी नोटबुक में करना है. ओके.